To edit photo collage in Canva, let's come over to templates here and search for photo collage. I'll enter this, and from here you can create from blank, but you're not creating from blank. You're going to search what you have in the template library of Canva. So I sort of like this collage. I would click on it, and I'm going to click on customize this template. Once the template opens in the editor, we're going to go over to our upload here and want to come and upload the files we want to put into this collage. We would click on upload and we will choose the photo we want to upload. I'm going to select this photo and it uploads beautifully like so. And once it's done uploading, I will drag it and drop it into any of the frames. You see how beautifully it sits in the frame. You can actually select any of this frame and put in photos in them. Let's put in another photo here. You're going to randomly select photos and put into this frame. You see how it's sitting beautifully. Let's select another photo and drop it here. For the text box, you can rewrite the text, or you can actually take it out completely if you don't want to use the text box. You can just delete it, and there's also a background there. Let's take that out, and now we have our photo collage. If you're done putting in your pictures and you want to export, you're going to go to share here and click on download, and the file type is in PNG, which is the suggested file type. You get another file type, you're just going to click into that box, and we have options to select other file type. We'll go with DF standard, and we can download the photo collage into our device.